told you. Well, we're already moving. 10 hours to Siem Reap. This is a fairly nice little cubby hole. We're here. Small beer explosion in Natalia's bag. Natalia, this is why you never save beer, you always drink them. You just can't trust these cans out here nowadays.
I know. Wiping beer out of my bag.
She's not a drunk officer, she just smells like one. 5 a.m. Siem Reap. +9 hours till check-in. First visit to Brother Bong, which is sadly just a restaurant. Very nice. We've ordered a mango smoothie, an iced black coffee, a vegan breakfast baguette, and a green smoothie bowl. Shake was good. Baguette was solid but not fancy. And the smoothie bowl was quite refreshing. Next, we went in search of first impressions. It's another market. Thanks.
Tiny hint of tartness, but very orangey.
Finally, we were in our room, but someone outside was glaring at us with what seemed to be visceral rage. There's a monkey outside our window. Oh. So those aren't going to get opened. Monkey guy, I see you through the... Oh.
I can see him from here.
Oh, he's gone.
I'm on all fours on a bed, and it's not for the usual reason you might think. It's actually that I'm trying to document a monkey for Vegan Everywhere. I'm David.
And we found the beginning of Pub Street, similar to the Bui Vien backpacker area. It's the strip. It's the party strip. Pub Street, before the mayhem. Oh, it's pointed at me. Pub Street, before the mayhem. 3 vegan milks I found in the same 7-Eleven. These ones are soy-based high-protein drinks. Those are about $2.75 Canadian each. And that one's like $1.50. That one's melon flavored. These ones are 28 grams of protein. That's pretty rad. This one is probably just delicious. So we'll go normal to weird. Plain. Well, it is very plain. You have to like the taste of soy for that one. Chocolate. Chocolate smoothie. Yeah. Tastes healthy, but still very tasty. Vita Soy melon flavored soy drink. That's all it tastes like. Cantaloupe, honeydew, and milk. Really, really good. That one's more just for fun. I think that one doesn't shatter any protein records. That one's got 4 grams, so just tasty, this one. But there is stuff everywhere for you to find. That sounded like a long drink there. Do you like that one? She likes that one. All sorts of lovely experiences in this area. Look what we found. Give Kefir, a vegan probiotic brewery. Huh. Let's take a peek. Hi. Lovely. Can we sit and have one?
Yes.
Great. What is most popular?
The blue one?
Blue spirulina?
Yeah.
Sweet. And cucumber mint? Very nice, very fresh. That is the blue one. Cucumber mint. The notes are in there. It's got a sharpness, a little bit of sour taste. Really nice. Well, isn't that something? Give kefir. We're just kind of freewheeling around and seeing what we can eat. So far it's been drinks. Another beautiful night market. Let's see how beautiful it is. So there is a food side that's on this side of the water. And then when you go through this beautiful decoratively lit bridge, there are some other vendors like a night market. And this is the Riverside night market. From what I can tell, it's a nice city. I'm really excited to see Angkor Wat tomorrow. A lot of the markets have some of the same stuff, but you keep seeing gems and it kind of makes you keep going back. Or like the local dried, mangoes or the things that you end up really liking. It's always a one-stop shop for that. So lots of fancy establishments here by the Riverside. Ban Li vegetarian restaurant. Is it fancy? Are we underdressed, overdressed? God, I hope that's air conditioning in there. How are you liking this stream of consciousness? This is how I am. I'm so sorry.
Can we please get crispy tofu stuffed with sun-dried tomato and beef spread? Yes.
The traditional mushroom lak lak.
But pad thai. Pad thai.
This dish is stellar. The tofu has a mixture in the middle of it. It's got this sort of creamy, neutral base with a kind of rich, garlicky tone on it. This is just a really, really nice dish. I'm really happy with this. I would eat 75 of these. The pad thai is very, very good. It has that tangy fried noodle, crispy ground peanut, a little bit of herbs and greens, a little bit of veg, and nice soft cooked tofu studded all through it.
The amak was so good I forgot to comment it at the time. A delicious Asian curry with a more Indian undertone in flavor than usual. Delightful. The cheesecake was standard vegan fare from the original days of raw desserts, but done well enough, and the fruit preserve on the plate was very nice. The main reason we're here in Siem Reap is to explore the globally renowned Angkor Wat complex of many temples. The next 2 videos will show you highlights from our 2-day trip. For Vegan Everywhere, getting a good first impression of Siem Reap, Cambodia.